guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Samarth and you all know you're watching REVVinTASHN.
You all don't know. This is your boy
Accent.
Hey guys, this is HSP. You are watching REVVinTASHN. Heard it right, not HSP Vlogs.
So he's here because this video is a collab.
So today I'm here to take over this channel. Well, I'm already getting late, so see you guys on the bike.
Bro, don't take the bike away from us.
Really?
Music.
So right now I'm heading towards Kormangla, first block if I'm not wrong, where the bike is going to get a full body PPF detailing done. And if anyone else wants to get it done, please ping me on my Instagram. And right now I didn't expect the weather to be so hot. The sun is out so bright and so much heat outside, and this bike doesn't get cool at any chance. It is already 98 degrees Celsius on the bike itself, and the other time it went up to 103, which made me actually stop by the roadside. Right now I'm on St. John's Road. I go straight and then it's somewhere on the left side. Ohil, you need to change this keychain. It makes a lot of kitty noise.
Now, you all might wonder why choose PPF instead of ceramic coating. The reason being, PPF is made up of 150 to 200 microns, wherein the ceramic coating is just 2 microns. That makes it much more fatter in size, and the best part is, it holds major scratches made by any object which the ceramic coating cannot. You can simply relate it with a mobile phone and a screen guard or a tempered glass. If there's any damage on the body of your bike or any body panel, it can be peeled out and the body panel would look fresh as new. Again, as the name says, paint protection film, it will give you a better resale value as you can peel it down and it will look new and well maintained down the line when you choose to sell it. And the main reason why I would prefer PPF is because my own bike has ceramic coating and maintaining it is not at all easy, because it's been almost 6+ months that I've got a ceramic coating on my bike and I have been struggling to maintain it, and I would prefer having anybody a PPF. And matter of money, PPF would cost you almost or nearly the same as much as ceramic coating, which shouldn't be heavy on your pockets as long as you're willing to invest it, because trust me, it is something which anybody would want to have.
So once you make the left, it is on this road itself. They took my parking. Cut it, Samarth. So this is Esperto Car Care.
So as you guys are seeing right now, this bike is going under a wash, wherein we are going to soap wash it completely because the dust particles which are there needs to be removed. And if you keep the dust particles and try to put a PPF, those dust particles sit underneath it and it would look ugly. So that's the reason we are washing it right now. So right now we are rubbing over the bike because there are a lot of scratches, as you guys can see on the tank or on the windshield, because scratches are something which nobody wants to see on the bike. So rubbing is one particular process wherein we completely try to lower the scratches and give it an even texture so that the PPF sits properly on it. Right after the rubbing part, we are here doing the polishing part so that it gives it a bit of gloss and it shines a bit more than the usual. So here they are polishing the bike, and major parts are the tank. If you can see, they are busy polishing it over, and once this is done, it's going to go under another wash, and after that we are good to go inside for the PPF treatment. So after the polish part, we are inside the store over here, wherein we are putting the complete PPF on the bike. So if you can see right now, the tank is one of the most difficult and the most challenging parts for them, because trying to fit one particular unit on that uneven surface is quite difficult. So right now we are putting up the PPF and it's quite difficult, but then trust me, the outcome is really awesome. And I personally like people getting over PPF instead of a ceramic coating on their vehicles. So the cowl is again one more flat surface, which is not going to be a tough part, but then there are a bit of tweaks over there which they need to be taken care of. So cowl is also an important portion out of which they are going to PPF as well. So as you guys can see, here is the complete bike, which is completely ready right now few more polish works to make it stand a bit more than the usual, and we are good to go. Here's a small cinematic video for you guys so that you can enjoy it completely. So yes, putting a PPF on a bike is a bit more difficult because it has uneven surfaces, which is not really easy to do it at one particular day or time. So it requires a lot of time. So I would recommend anyone to leave their bikes for a little longer time. And I hope you guys like the work on this particular bike. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to REVVinTASHN. If you guys have any queries wherein you want to get a PPF for a ceramic coating or even wraps on your bike, make sure you ping me on my Instagram handle, that is Harshvardhan_photos. Samarth, make sure you mention them or else I'm gonna hit you. Link will be in the description box and it will be mentioned here as well. Hope you guys enjoy this. See you all in some of the collab letters. See you all.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Samarth and you all know you're watching REVVinTASHN.
You all don't know. This is your boy Harsh. ನೀನಜ್ಜಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾನೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
1 hour later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Samarth and you all know you're watching REVVinTASHN.
You all don't know. This is your boy Harsh. ನೀನಜ್ಜಿ when I'm talking itself you come and tap off immediately like this is your boy goes on and you're tapping on.
tap ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ನನಗೇನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
2 hours later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Recording.
Hey guys, this is so he's here because it's a collab anta neenu ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ I'll be looking at the camera and
Rolling.
so today I'm here wait
1 eternity later.
Bro, don't open up, bro.
Valid.